This course is for PCB designers who already know KiCad and want to work on boards that are genuinely difficult. You'll design a real manufacturable smart USB thumb drive. This is a 4-layer board with an RP2040, a 64GB eMMC chip in a 153-ball BGA package, 2 USB-C connectors, high-speed differential pairs, and active power path management. I make and explain every engineering decision on screen in KiCad. By taking this course, you'll build 5 core skill areas: BGA, escape routing and via in-pad design, controlled impedance and USB differential pair routing, eMMC bus timing and length matching, ideal O-ring circuits, and constraint layout on a real 4-layer stackup. These are skills that are important in professional electronics design and layout, but are rarely covered in beginner or intermediate courses. To get the most from this course, you should be comfortable with KiCad's schematic and layout tools. The Tech Explorations KiCad Like a Pro course covers that foundation. You also need some experience with component datasheets and basic electronics. I'm Peter, the instructor and designer of the course. I'm an electronics educator, technical author, and the instructor behind the Tech Explorations KiCad series, which include courses like KiCad Like a Pro, Advanced PCB Design with KiCad, and High-Speed PCB Design with KiCad. And of course, this course is the newest addition to the series. There are 3 lectures at the start of the course which I invite you to watch next. These lectures will show you exactly what's covered and how the project and course are structured, so you can decide if this is the right course for you. I look forward to seeing you in the course.